Uh-oh.
Wherever you are, can you knock? We've come to steal your horses. You want to come downstairs? Can you knock 3 times?
See? He'll take care of himself.
Did you hear that?
You okay, Chico? Yeah. I know what you're doing. You're trying to get my toes.
No, he won't get on you.
Oh, no. Knocking. Actually sound like knocking. I heard it. Just stinks.
Well, Miss Sophie,
Inside the building.
if you want a friend, you're going to have to be nice.
That was you knocking. Can you please knock again?
You got to play nice.
You're trying to
Huh?
get away with it?
Yeah.